I forgot, we're still using adorable avatars, which are fine and adorable, but a long time ago, at someone's request, I think we actually stored on user photo URL. Do you remember doing that? Do you have it that came out of the API? So let's use that. That should be easy because we made a separate avatar component. For the moment, I'm going to comment this out. And let's change it. So we'll say background URL user.photo URL. Yay. What? Well, that background image is really huge. So we have height and width down here for the avatar div, but we probably need background size. Background size, 40 pixels. Still doesn't work. Still doesn't work because the background CSS property is shorthand for like all the background CSS properties. So it's going to override that. So we need to just set background image equals to that, not the whole background. There we go. Now we're talking. So if there were no avatar for some reason, we could still fall back to this by doing something like this. Let's make a new function in here, const. Well, it doesn't need to be a function. Const photo URL equals user.photo URL if it's there, or failing that, my adorable avatar. Get it? So if it's not there, if we don't have user.photo URL, we'll use the adorable API. And so then down here, we'll use this variable photo URL. So use the one that came back from authentication if it's there. Otherwise, use that. So let's test that out. Here I have a real avatar. Let's go to React. Get the app component. Here it is. So $R dot, well, let's do user equals $R dot state dot user, a copy of that, copy of user dot photo URL equals null. Then this dot set state, or excuse me, $R dot set state. There you go. And it switched back to adorable. Get it? Cool. Use avatars from auth services. So GitHub or Google or whatever we have. Piece of cake.